So I figured out a secret kind of menu for some different options on the Rainbow SRX using the soft touch buttons on the top here. So as you know, the way it comes, when you turn on the machine, that light comes on, right? So you have the LED lights on the inside that come on. You have the LED lights on the top here, one for each level setting that you're on: 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and back down. Well, some people want to run the machine at night quietly and without the light on. Some people like it kind of as a night light, I guess, or kind of a mood light. But if you want to run the machine without any light, all you have to do is hold down the minus button, turn on the machine, you'll see it flash, and now it's on without the light. And it will stay that way. Now the machine is programmed, if you will, to turn on and off without the LED lights on the inside. Right? Now if you want the LED lights back on, you just do the opposite. So before we held the minus down while turning it on, now we hold down the plus sign, right? So the plus sign while turning it on. You'll see the light come back on. Let go. Now every time we turn it on, the LED lights will come back on. Okay. Now the third thing that I figured out was, normally when you turn the button, turn on the power here, the machine goes straight to level 4 and is extremely noisy, right? Now if you're just going to be cleaning the air and you're not cleaning floors and whatnot, and you just want to turn it on starting on level 1, all you have to do is hold down the timer function button, this little hourglass, like this. Hold it down, turn on the machine, and I just keep holding it down for a second after, let go, and the machine just turns on straight to level 1. And then off. But when I don't hold this down and I just turn it on, it just goes straight to level 4. And then you'd have to turn it down to get it down to level 1. And then the fourth little secret menu thing I figured out was, if you hold down the plus and the minus button at the same time and you turn it on while you keep holding them down, then it actually would clear any fault codes or any issues that you might have experienced. If you had a separator issue, maybe you got it too clogged up or foamed up, if you had detergent in there from previous carpet cleanings, and the machine shuts itself down, and a red light would come on right here. To clear that, after, say you've fixed this down here, you've cleaned out the water, say you still have a red coat up here, to clear that out so you can use the machine again, you'd hold down the plus and the minus. Let's see if I can do it with one hand here at the same time while turning on this, and you'll see it, the red lights come on and they go through this sequence. And now it's cleared, and now the machine will come back. Oh, it's going through some. There it goes. So it goes through some kind of reset function, clears everything out, and then allows the machine to start operating again. Anyways, that's 4 little secret functions I figured out with the soft touch buttons up here. Let me know in the comments below if that was helpful, or if you know any other secret sequences with the buttons on the Rainbow SRX.